everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw these really cute crabs. I'm sorry about the lighting, I'm not sure what's going on. So I'm starting by drawing an oval shape. In that oval shape I'm drawing two big circles, which are the eyes, and then in these circles I'm going to be drawing a big circle and a little circle. I've added eyebrows and a smile, and then I'm starting with the legs, so I'm drawing 4 on each side. I'm then adding the kind of antenna, so it's just a circle and I've joined it to the head with 2 lines. For its claws, I'm drawing a curved shape and then I'm joining the curve to the start of the curve with zigzag patterns, and then I'm joining it to the head with 2 lines. So then I'm drawing a little baby crab next to it. It's exactly the same as the first crab, so follow exactly the same steps, but I'm adding 2 bows on this one and eyelashes. I'm drawing little oval shapes all around them, which is like grains of sand. Get yourself a back fine liner and start by outlining the eye. So I've outlined all the pencil lines that we drew on the eye, and then I'm gonna colour in using a black Sharpie the eye, but leaving the 2 circles inside of it white. Pause the video now and go ahead and black line over all the lines that you drew in pencil, and then use a rubber to rub out all the pencil lines that are left underneath. Starting by using a red Sharpie, and I'm colouring in the first crab. And for the second crab I'm using a baby pink colour. a purple Sharpie and I'm colouring in the bows. And I'm colouring in some sand around them. Maroon colour, and I'm starting shading on the left side of the first crab, and I'm just going on the left side of everywhere that we've coloured red. I'm then using a dark pink to do shading on the little crab. With an orange colour, I'm colouring in the kind of oval shapes that we drew on the sand. As you can see, I've added some more oval shapes with that same orange. I'm using a white pen and I'm adding highlights to the right side of everywhere that we coloured. Also using the white pen to add little oval shapes on the sand. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.